Good afternoon, welcome back. If you want to speak English, just you have to try. If you try every single day, you will be able to speak English. Have a look behind. Amazing water and amazing breeze. This breeze I told you before, this breeze name is King Breeze. And it's a famous place in Sylhet. I love too much river. That's why I'm making videos before the river. And how is looking, please write down in the comment box. I have to finish here because I'm very busy right now. I have to go my mentioning. That's why I'm very busy right now. And I wanted to go long time ago that place, but I can't go because I had to meet with my friend. That's why I so late. And my friend has come, and I'm talking with him few minutes ago. I told my friend, please avoid. I'm making a videos only 1 or 2 minutes. That's why I have to finish here. If Almighty wants, you should next video. And my friend getting angry with me because I'm so late and he wanted to go long time ago.